Alright, what's going on, guys? It's Pataha. In this video, we're going to be fixing this flat tractor tire. Went ahead and threw a jack stand under the axle just to get the pressure off of the tire. In my case, since I threw that jack stand under there, you know, it's kind of pivoting. So what I did is I was like, oh, I'll just kind of help stabilize it and put pressure on this. Once that axle kind of twists, hydraulic system, there's like a little give in it, you know, because it has the pins in there. What I realized is the arms, they kind of twisted. So what I did is I was like, that doesn't look right. So I took a tape measure, measured right here the distance. It's probably like half an inch off or a little more, and I'm like, okay, that's not good. Let the bucket kind of just rest on the ground. I didn't, you know, put any pressure into it. Fire up that compressor. He's been hiding. These guys, they like to magically grow legs, walk off. Why is this so heavy? To the tire station. Harbor Freight tire changers. Well, shoot, man. 100% gonna mark this rim. 1 3/4. Got this fool back. Here's the Duckbill mod that I made entirely from scraps. The only piece I bought was the actual Duckbill, so that was 20 bucks. All this stuff right here, I made. Dang, that's kind of in the way. Because when I'm prying this back, I want to go straight back, right? And the knob's right here. Okay. The mini one. Hold that here. Okay. Alright. Just kind of holding that, oh shoot. It's kind of falling back in. Let's get him out. Alright, I think that's out of there. Oh, please tell me somehow the bead popped back in. Now I gotta put it back on. Okay. Yeah, there's a bunch of water in here. Problem with this one is literally just the valve stem. Heard leaking, I'm like, okay, let me try and take the valve stem out, and it was seized up and broken in there. Couldn't get it out. So the goal here is you do not want to twist this thing while it's in there. You want to stick it in, make sure it's even, then stick the valve stem through. So I can kind of pull this up with my knee and then just stuff this in there. Come back to that side, throw this one in there. So a little tip, throw a washer and then the valve stem. That way it can't slip back down in there. Okay, I'm rotating. Just put my knee on it. Look at who we found here. Oh man. Oh man. Knee on the tire. Bringing it around, GoPro dies. Best part. Fill this up. The main thing is you just cannot have this stem fall back in. So we have the washer on there right now. Take it to the compressor and then get something and kind of pull this out, hold it while I inflate it. All right, we have this thing secured. So now, man, this is making me nervous. $18 PSI. I'm gonna go with 120 just to be safe. Ended up working, drove it around a bit. $25 for the inner tube, not bad. 20 bucks for the tire mounting compound. Harbor Freight tire changer, do the Duckbill mod. I might make another video on that. I hope this video helped y'all out. If y'all have a problem like this, I'm Bataha. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one.